Hi guys, it's been a while since I make a video, and currently I upgraded my internet so I can upload videos faster right now. So currently I'll show you now for PSEI what's happening and where is the price now in the market. So let me put on the possible support and resistance. So here are my possible resistance area. So I will include this also. So might encounter some resistance soon. So here we were able to break out from this area. So we don't know if next week we will see a pullback. So okay, next then we'll go to the weekly top winners. No, so here I use the screener, weekly top gainers. So first one is AR. AR, it's not updated. Oh, this is not updated. It's still in March. Okay, then next is SCC. SCC still on momentum. There's a dividend happening next week. So might see a little push a little more. For those who have it, maybe it's time to take some profit. And next is DMC. Same with SCC, no? Special dividend also on October 21. BLFI, I'll skip this because of its low volume PX. Felix Mining is trying to move past this downtrend. So downtrend channel. So here it has bullish divergence and currently consolidating. We'll see possible target areas. So maybe it will encounter resistance here. So that is for Felix Mining. Next is MB. I'll skip this because of low volume. PRMX also low volume. JFC. So JFC, I missed this trade. If you see, there's a possible head and shoulders. Let me remove the drawings first. So here's the inverse head and shoulders. So I'll draw the possible neckline was this here. Or if we will not include the wick, so this is the potential neckline and breakout. So I missed this trade. But here, if you can see, possible resistance area, we're near the possible resistance area. So might see some people taking profits next week. Then next is Cebu Pacific. I have no setup here. We'll wait for it to consolidate more and show some patterns. Maybe another pullback for potential head and shoulder or double bottom, perhaps. Then next is pizza. So last week, banks and food sectors and property are somewhat strong. So pizza, possible cup and handle formation here. For me, no, I prefer to wait for breakout then pull back. enter on the pullback. Then we'll see what happens next week, no? LBC, medyo low volume. See, I don't like this type of charts. MAH, low volume also. SMPH, property sector. If you can see here, it also breaks out from the channel, downward channel here. So it might continue to move up or it might consolidate first, but we'll check for the possible resistance area. So here it might encounter some resistance here or maybe here, here, and maybe here in this gap. So it might pull back first and before it might go back up again. So we'll see with SMPH. MWC is one of the strongest stocks. I missed this trade. Here it breaks out here for a triangle formation breakout. And it didn't give us any re-entry. So let's wait and see next week if it pull back. Macro Asia. Here, Macro Asia, it has a bullish divergence. Some people call this hidden divergence. And some people might have entered here on the breakout. And it's going to have a pullback. I didn't trade this stock, no, because it's still on a downtrend. Here it doesn't make any sense. So here, so it encountered resistance here, and you see it's pulling back. So let's see if it will find another support for possible re-entry. So for me, Mac, if I'm going to buy this, I'll plot the Fibonacci, and my potential support area is here. Yes, this is a strong support area for me. Or it might go up or support here. But still, let's wait and see. Then Ali strong. It's one of the strongest stocks last week also, no? So same with SMPH, channel downtrend channel breakout. So it might consolidate or it might continue to move up. Then Security Bank, SCCB, remove the drawings. So here, I might draw the channel here. Some people would do it like this. Okay. BDO, triangle breakout. There's a AT has volume. For me, it's still wait and see. No setup for me. It tried to break out from the downtrend channel. It got rejected by the resistance area. See here, previous support, previous resistance. And here, lots of touches here. So next, GT cap, MPI. I'll do it very fast. I'll go to find setup faster. GT cap, I will go set up MPI. Most of the stocks are breaking out from the downtrend channel. MPI, MBT, C, same, Maxes, for Maxes. It's consolidating here. I don't know if it will give us re-entry. IMI, same. RCBC, medyo low yung volume. Then East-West, East-West. Same. It's trying to break out from the downward channel. Okay, I will not continue this, no? So let's see for the top gainers. LBC, we finished with this. MAH, OPM, low volume, ICT. First, so here ICT, no? We'll check for possible support areas. So possible bounce here. Let's make it. Let's check it from the weekly. If we do it like this, it will not possible strong support areas in this side. But if we go to here, plot our Fibonacci there. So you see it has support area here. So for me, this is possible bounce. It might encounter resistance here on the MAs. So we'll see next week. Prim, no setup. CNPF, bounce. Also, no setup. Breakout, will break out, very strong. RLT, no setup. FNI, LECB, ALCO, no. So here, talk about the top loser with volume, MY, no setup. TMW, PHA, Del Monte. Okay, we'll use my screener. Trend. Oops. So quick chart now. You see DMC, we finish it. ASX. I'm watching this stock, ASX. Possible breakout from the downtrend channel, consolidating. I'm waiting for possible breakout here. And possible plot of Fibonacci. So it might encounter resistance here. So if we enter through the breakout, possible 9% gain. House. House is very volatile. So I'm skip this. UBP, BDO, Heaven, Home. I was able to buy here, then sell here somewhere. But it's a little bit illiquid. PMPC, Shell, PH. So you can plot it like this. Currently no setup. Let's wait for pullback. PS Bank, MBT, finish that. We'll finish with that. PNB, MAC, Fruit, PSEI, T-Core. Not no setup for me, no. So let's look at Converge. So here, let me remove the drawings first. If I plot the Fibonacci levels here, 5175, highs 4540. So I think it might retest here again, the below 31, or it might consolidate for a while here before it bounce. Might do this. So let's see next week. Converge Monday. Here also, I'm waiting for it to go a bit lower, probably in this area, 1575 below this area for potential bounce play. So from its high to here, it's already down 13%. So it might also recover next week. Potential bounce up to here. So for me, my watch list is Monday and Converge for potential bounce play. I'm still currently holding EMP, but I feel that the momentum is dying down, or it might consolidate more. Then FGen, possible bounce next week. Let's see. Gen. So that's it. Okay, thank you. See you again next week.